Well, howdy. My name is Millie, and I'm here to teach you all about the letter R. Let's get to it. This is the letter R. Now we'll learn what sound the letter R makes. To make the letter R sound, you'll lift the back of your tongue towards your soft palate, which is that soft tissue at the back of the roof of your mouth, and you'll make the R sound. Like this. R. Now you try. Nicely done. Let's look at some words that start with the letter R sound. Ring, rat, rain, rabbit, road. Those words all start with the letter R sound. Let's say those words together this time. Ring, rat, rain, rabbit, road. Nicely done. Now it's time for a quiz. I'm going to say a word and you get to tell me if that word starts with the letter R sound. Here's an example. If I were to say the word robot, robot, and then ask you if it starts with the letter R sound, you would say absolutely yes, robot does start with the letter R sound. But if I were to say the word hippo, hippo, and then ask you if it starts with the letter R sound, you would say, no, it does not. Okay, it's time to start the quiz. Here's your first word, rainbow. Does rainbow start with the letter R sound? Absolutely yes, rainbow does start with the letter R sound. Now for your second word, door. Does door start with the letter R sound? No, it does not. Let's try that one more time. Here's your last word, rocket. Does rocket start with the letter R sound? Absolutely yes, rocket does start with the letter R sound. Nicely done. Thank you so much for joining me today to learn about the letter R sound. Until next time, toodaloo.